talk. They talk what he do the other person, what he not do the other person. If he is innocent, he will not be talking about what happened in Holland, what happened in Spain, what happened in Italy, what happened in UK. It's not about that. It's not about what happened in the UK. Say I do a shower for UK. UK, then I do a shower for another country. Italy, I never even go there once. Now you carry me go. I hope you have evidence. I posted it on Facebook. The evidence is there on Facebook now. You guys are not seeing it. You better go there. You guys are seeing it. So you're supposed to have this errand, your wife this errand, you day inside house. Don't do it. No matter, try to be in front. Now soldier, now men be. Now hero, men are hero, men are protector, men are guidance. There is a way, even though the woman self, now he is more richer than you. There is a way a woman can come to you, get some ideas. Get some ideas, tangible ideas. She's lost. She brought out some discussion. You share, you give. You know, she'll feel like, wow, this man, wow. And then you pursue your dream, grow. When you come Europe, grow. Don't hang on anybody. And this was what we wanting to have, like, get your driver license, start driving, going there. There's nothing like grow. When a man grow, it makes a woman respect the person. It makes the woman respect you. Not always about it. At least you grow faster. You have to make yourself grow. When a woman is always pressuring you to do something, it will look like as if she doesn't want to accept you the way you are. It's not like as if she doesn't want to accept you the way you are. Nobody wants to remain there. Everybody wants to climb a step at a time. And when you love someone, you want that person's growth. You want that person to achieve something. You want to be proud of that person. There's no two ways about it. You want that person to have growth. You want to be proud. My husband is now driving. My husband have driver license. My husband is working. When he was doing Dutch course, I was showcasing it on social media now. When he was doing the driving school, I was happy. I was showcasing it on social media. My husband has started driving school. He's going for driving school. Guys, my husband is now driving. But he was only driving with air. I have to sit beside him. Yeah, I must sit beside him to drive. But until he achieves the license, that is when he can drive alone, so that we can have division of labor. Because guys, it's not easy. Forget about it. We are creating content. Content alone is a very hard job, Then we have children. We have family in Africa. Then we have to do shopping. We have to go there. We have to go appointments. And only me. Easy. For a very, very long time, it's not easy. It's easy maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. But then I realize everything is okay. You can do it. It's not wrong to say, if he's going to endanger him, why should I tell him to go and write the exam now? The exam, he's driving and he's registered here. I don't understand you now. He's married to an Austrian and his child is an Austrian. The certificate is here. I can screenshot it and put it on social media. You can check my platform tomorrow. Let me put my Austrian marriage certificate. And people who live abroad, tell me when you are married in Europe, you have an Austrian European certificate. Marriage certificate. You have your Nigerian passport. If you are apply, you wait for the government make it give you. Not be your wife who give you the visa, and government will still issue the visa. It's the Austrian government that will still issue it. It's not human being that will issue the visa. Not be me who collect that from my pocket to give somebody. So don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted.
You. Yabosifo, I said God will punish you for lying to me that you'll be with me for all the rest of my life. Eliab, God will punish you. Eliab. Eliab Osifo. I think I didn't have pepper to this thing. Eliab is crazy. For lying to me, God go punish you. Pepper go enter your eye. For lying to me, it's not best for like boy. Eliab lied to me. You guys were here. You listened and you heard it. Going to add salt. Whenever you put salt inside water, you go melt. Your life will melt like this. For lying to me. And you call me mental. After you have sucked me like an orange and dumped me in the dustbin. You think I'll be ashamed to cry. Eliab. I say you will be cooked. And they will share your body to the village people. You will be cooked, Eliab Osifo. Now my hand, now you will do bad, rich. Bring out your blackmail. I'm putting you inside this pot. For lying to me, oh. For lying to me, you'll be with me all my life. I'm robber. That is what Osifo family is. Thief. Eliab, didn't you kill your landlord, one of the landlord's son, and you ran away? Tell me the reason why you're not going to Benin. The landlord's son that you buy, is that not the reason why you're not going to Benin? Go to Benin, you ran away. Your father developed high blood pressure, and they come for you because this one video not will carry it all.
When they do court now.
Now court. He used court to kill his in landlord's son and ran away. Nothing will happen to me. I am a child of God. So by the time he stops sagaring me now, that time I dey come outside. I am not a person like this before saying this, but he dragged my children. I go drag them till infinity. I'm not going to do them every day. I'm going to use them to do shakara. Elizabeth, see me. Eh? Eliza, bring that your Igbobian girlfriend. Maybe when I can't check her. Hey. Where are the platforms, guys? Where are the platforms? Eh? Where your mama? Your mama don't shocking. They thought when he goes back, I will be crying. Because when he blackmailed me that year, I couldn't cry. I was 7 weeks pregnant. I said, which kind of wahala is this? Married you don't marry a year ago. You don't start like this again. Hey, 7 weeks pregnant. Make I go they do abortion now at this my age. I tried to go do abortion. They say I get fibroid. Hey, say na 50-50 chance. Ha! I can't cry. They give everybody a beg. You wanna help me talk to my husband? Me, I don't understand. We not correct. Just the blackmail me, they go, they carry money. What cause this kind of thing? Married will just do a year ago. I cry, give him mama. His mama called the phone sickness, are they sick? Because the money, they don't temper with the money. 12 million naira in Nigeria. 12 million. When I say put her for fixed deposit for me, with blessing, a blessing, I say if I come, I go collect her. But now, I never they ready to come. I don't feel use this kind of pregnancy now, my symptom and everything till they go Nigeria. Put her for fixed deposit. Blessing Osifo, na thief, na you be. Blessing Osifo is a criminal. Julie Osifo, my mother-in-law, na criminal. Thief, that woman. If that woman handle Igbo, I say they handle and rich ground. If that woman, Julie Osifo, handle Guda, that's why they handle good and rich ground. I didn't teach earlier about how to zanza Igbo. I never start with you now. Except that all the things wanna do me, you go vomit some. You go vomit some. Me I don't care who go right here say, Madam, enter house. I inside my house I did. Eliza, your actress. When you say me, you can't insult me for social media. Where how markets? I want to see content before. And you, I want to see you. I don't miss you. Guys, I'm missing my husband. Now, nobody can say, see what you married woman they do for social media. I am not married anymore. I'm married on the paper, but I'm not married. Bring something more with a divorce, bros. Bros refuse. If you think, say, if you go back to Nigeria, I'll come they cry again. Mommy, I cannot do it without your son. Mommy, they will come they tax me how much to pay before his son. They will say, but Eliab get problem now. Eliab never fee pay rent. I say, how much will the rent? He say, 300,000 naira. I say, okay, man, I cook my send that now. But if you need her, you need your husband for Austria. Just bring your document, make they take put in for it. That was their mission. Now I make they don't want make I come social media, I can't talk. Therefore, don't gather crowd now, can't they beg me. You know, say na husband and wife matter now. All those things will be there in mind. You don't dey sense. Be the wait make you get documents. All those ones where they talk say you go share property with me. If you don't dey plan now. I go buy you. You see that in my route? They are going to be miserable. Ima and Ruth are going to be miserable. Ruth shall become blind completely. She will become blind completely. Ruth will become blind completely. Ima, as a bastard child that he is, you are not the father of Ima. Go now only.